Sanibonani South Africa. Ufele emntwini again. Bafowethu eSouth Coast njengoba ngasho ukuthi ngiyibambe ngedwa. Futhi ngizoyibamba ngedwa. Ukhona umfo kaNyambosi khona ukuthi ke phela ubuye akhathale. Le video ngiyenza kambi ke ngihamba nezingane. Nako lo bengikwenza kambi. Ngihamba nezingane kodwa kuyaphoqa ukuthi ngikwenze. Bafowethu ngisemzini omkhulu la ngikhona. Yeah. Emzimkhulu konakele kakhulu ile nto engayisho konakele kakhulu bayachanasa abafowethu bokufika bayachanasa ngizoyiphinda le bafowethu nina bokufika kuthiwa amazayizayi kuthiwa amakwerekwere kuthiwa ama-foreigner noma iliphi igama enibizwa ngalo le nto engafiki kabi kunina bafowethu ngiyohlezi ngisho le nto biyekeni ubugwala hambani niyolungisa amazweni awukwazi ukusuka ekhongo uzogunda umuntu ikhanda la awukwazi ukusuka eMalawi uzogunda umuntu ikhanda la uhambe ngani ufike ngani okunzima kunako konke senikwenza manje yileyo kusitshela ukuthi nina ama-permit nina amaphepha ninayo yonke into yile singasayifunike manje ngoba vele yona ndlela enivika ngayo le yamaphepha nama-permit okubeka endaweni akakwazi ukuthi umuntu wase-South Africa angabi nayo i-permit noma iphepha lokusebenza ebese wena oba nalo iphepha lokusebenza akukwazi bafowethu yonke into iqala ekhaya so umzimkhulu ke bafowethu nguklinile-ke namhlanje ngingedwa njengoba ngijulukile umntanami njengoba evela la ngemomvo amahle uyena obe ucamera woman wami namhlanje ya ngingedwa angidinge lutho angidinge umuntu mina yonke lento engiyenzayo ngiyakwazi ukuyenza ngingedwa kodwa engikwazi i-South Coast yonke umuntu okufika umuntu wangaphandle uzohamba yabo njengoba ngisemzimkhulu namhlanje nakusasa ngisemzimkhulu nangomsombuluko futhi ngisemzimkhulu ngiyabuyela futhi eHarding ngiyaya futhi eKokstad because eKokstad ababulele kakhulu abafana lapha khona abafana ke ngibabone bemi lapha kuma ATM behunga bencika ngehunga bathi bayithenga kubo laba abagunda abantu inwele nayo leyo sizoyenza ndokunye banamatafula manje ama-fruit awama-veg okudayisa ingubo amaphinifa okudayisa yonke into kodwa izindlu abahlala kuzona nezinto abanazo ziyakhombisa ukuthi kukhona abakufihlile abakudayisayo ngoba uma ubuka nomakoti babo awukwazi ungaphila ngokudayisa amakinati kuphela wena renke mina-ke zikhona-ke indawo engizaziyo la kuphekwa khona kwamakhishi ekuphekwa khona yona lento ledliwayo mhlawumbe ngazi iy'ndawo eziwu-10 la kuphekwa khona so leza zinto-ke akuyona into ongavele ulala uvuka ukuthi uyayenza kodwa le ncane esikwazi ukuyenza iyo le kufanele siqinise kuyona so bafowethu-ke mina i-South Coast ngizoyenza ngingedwa Zingolweni niyakhala ngiyanibona Potchefstroom Machisini Mthwalume ngiyezwa kuthiwa sebena namasayithi lapho Emzinto ngiyezwa bafowethu niyakhala lapho hayi isiphingo bafowethu ngizogcina ngaso futhi isiphingo ngikhumbula le movie kuthiwa The Raid Redemption ngifuna ukuyokwenza yona lapha yoshiya ngivale ngehlahla lapha akukho umuntu ozofa futhi akukho umuntu ozolimala kodwa ngeliphinde libekhona ikwerekore esiphingo mhlazana ngafika ya so njengamanje ngila Mzimkhulu and enye into engiyicela abafowethu yekani ukungena kuma comment uthi ngakithi uzanini endaweni ukuthi uzanini wena uyanini kolungisa lonto ngakini ngoba phela mina kungcono mangizofika ngizokulekelela awumasho mangizofika ngizoqala into engazi ukuthi iqale iphagcinaphi and enye into la Mzimkhulu ngizwile kuthiwa kunondaba ezitha uZulu undaba ezitha uZulu kuthiwa kunePakistan asexabane nalo walisendela incwadi kaningi ngoba umphakathi uyacomplaina kundaba ezitha umphakathi onezitolo ukuthi nanti iPakistan belala bengadlanga ngendaba yalo lelo Pakistan ke liqashisiwe kulowo muze liqashiswe kuona ngizofika futhi angizofika kube kuhle uma ngabe kuukuthi mhlambe lo muntu oliqashisayo uliqashisa ngoba khona into ayithembile ngizocela ukuthi le nto leyo ahamba awulande u10 mina ngifuna ukuthi mangabe ungidubula ngifa ngife kancane ngifuna uma ungidubula ngingabonakali ngisho uphisi wami izingane zami ikhalela ukuthi ubaba ngeze imncwane ngoba zimfice emvuthu phansi so ngoba kukhona abafowethu abathengwa abantu bokufika ukuthi ababulale thina abalimaze thina abavimbele thina kodwa ekugcineni lento esiyenza senzela izingane zabo nezingane zethu nesisizukulwane sethu njengoba nibona imigwaqo eqanje njengamaqhawe nje ase-South Africa abantu laba balwa abantu abazabalaza abantu abasaba yilento lesiyenzayo ngelinye ilanga ngiyobona kuba khona into ethile ebizwa ngofela emntwini ebese uyasukuma uthi kanjani ekhona ubani ukhohle namhlanje njengoba nje ngifukuza kanje ngidela umndeni wami ngidela izingane zami ngidela imfuyo yakithi ngigijima ngigijimela wena nezingane zakho sukumani bafowethu izwe liyahamba kodwa iSouth Coast ngeke ihambe bafowethu mina ngingedwa anginasibhamu anginababa nginoma nezingane zami nezingane zakithi ngibe sengiba nanabafowethu nabo bangibuka kwi-TV bangibuka emafonini kodwa ngelinye ilanga bawuhlala phansi babuza ukuthi lo buqhawe ngaka ubuthathaphi wayengeke abayedwa ushaka wayengeke abayedwa senza ngakhona ayengeke abeyodwa amaqhawe ingakho kuthiwa umuntu akafi umuntu uyahamba uyabuya usho njalo umculo werap uthi asifi ngalo kwaloko siyaphinda phindela nami mangifa kodwa kumina kuyoba nzima ngoba mengafa ufele emntwini ngengozi afu uphakela umthakathi afu ungizwe afu uJesinta afu Mancenza ngengozi bafowethu kuyoba kubi eSouth Africa engikholwa ukuthi wonke umuntu osaziyo nababona zabalaza umsebenzi wabo ukuthi bazivikele ngoba umhlaba uyophethuka bafowethu uyophethuka kube iphalishi siyobondwa siyeke bafowethu ngoba bayasibona abantu awuthi abasibona lezi zinto ezenza abayibona abantu hayi ukuthi ababoni kodwa mhlazana kwathi ufele emntwini udutshuliwe noma ugwaziwe noma ulinyaziwe wangafa noma wafa bafowethu umhlaba uyoba iphalishi mhlazana ungizwe mhlazana uphakela umthakathi mhlazana uJesinta mhlazana wonke amaqhawe alwayo njengamanje kwathi wafile ngengozi bafowethu imbenge yomili yokhothwa ngalelo langa ngoba lento esiyenzayo senzela izingane zethu senzela isizukulwane sethu senzela izingane zenu senzela nina nemsebenzini ukuthi la nisebenza khona musana ukuxhashazwa abantu bokufika ningaxhashazwa futhi amandiya ongaphezulu kwawo konke asilweni bafowethu lempilo kodwa singabasebenzisa isikali sisebenzise nje ukuthi sicela ugoduka ubuyele ekhaya yolungisa izwe lakho
kunale comment le comment le enje ngihlale ngiyibona ende inginyanyisa ave ngidina le comment le ngihlale ngiyibona and I always knew ukuthi le comment iqhamuka ibantwini balabantu iqhamuke kulabantu abasupport iqembu le EFF kulabantu abasupport iANC iqhamuka kulabantu bangaphandle le comment le ayingiqale la abantwini bangaphandle ke wena umuntu wangaphandle ngoba nakho ufunde kakhulu angithi nithi nifunde kakhulu nifunde kakhulu nina nize nikwazi ukutshela thina ukuthi lokho esikwenzayo masizama ukulwisana ne-illegality sizama ukulwisana nabantu abangena la ekhantrini yethu ngokungemthetho maqedwe lapho bezokwenza inonsense la kule country bezobulala iCountry yethu sibhekile bese wena uyibuka leyo nto njengokuthi ingoba senza ngoba singafundanga alright siyoze silwe nawe ufunani la kuleli izwe lelo bufunde kakhulu kanti education angimelanga ngabe iyona sikhali sakho sisebenzisa ukuthi uvuse izwe lakho wena usuka le ezweni lakho usuka le ezweni lakho wena muntu angaphandle usuka le ezweni lakho ne-education yakho ebetter yazi ne-privilege emazweni enu ninane education ebetter ukuneyethu but still niyabaleka nizela eSouth Africa yini engasebenzisile education yenu le ukwenza isimo sibe ngcono emazweni enu akani ne-education anifunde kakhulu nini right now abantwana bethu babanga isikolo nezingane zenu bese abethu bavaleleke ngaphandle beze bevalele ngaphandle fantasy silwe izingane zethu ukuthi zithole ispace esikoleni kodwa ne-education engcono yini engathathi lezi ingane zenu ziyofunda le emazweni enu la kune-education khona engcono angenise nisho nithi thina sabantu baka 30% nifunani u30% wethu yini ningahambi niye ngakini niyothola ke lokho eniktholayo u60% or 90% lo nimtholayo or u100% yini ningahambi niye ngakini niyokwenza leyo nto leyo nisigxeke nizozenza ucombat nithi u30% kodwa futhi ingane zethu uphinde ibangele ezeni esikoleni ibhadlile nje kodwa ekhanda lento ensuweni ikhuluma mengabe wona uzobona ukuthi ama South Africans areacta ngalendlela areacta ngayo uma ngabe elwisa lento ayisuke elwisa illegality eyenzakala kule country bese wena uqhamuka nendaba ye-education lapho education ingena phi la ingena kanjani why wena ungathathi le education yakho uyosiza izwe lakho umuntu wangaphandle ngikhuluma nani futhi into ezingikhuluma isiZulu ngisikhuluma ngamabomu ngithi ngiyazi ukuthi kunabantu abanithandayo bona labo bo EFF bona labo ANC ibona abantu abanithanda bazotranslate ukuthi ngithini I'm not going to speak English I'm not going to speak English. So bazonitranslateela ukuthi ngithini. Yini ningahambi niyovusa amazweni ngale education yenu? Nine education enhle kabi. Enhle kabi since nibona thina ukuthi abantu baka 30% asina education asifundile. Yini ke ningahambi ke niyovusa amazweni ngeeducation? iChina ngesikhathi ifuna ukuvusa izwe layo ya concentrate more kwi-education. Yavuka iChina yamaqonqo namhlanje first world country. Singapore ngesikhathi ifuna ukuvusa izwe layo ya concentrate kwi-education, yashintsha i-education. Yavuka iSingapore namhlanje imeqonqo. You understand? Maningi amazwe Russia ba concentrate kwi-education. Namhlanje bathule bathe bhaqo. Ama first world country. You understand? Ama giant omhlaba. Yini ba concentrate kwi-education. Nina ke vele kade wasanini yini education. Nikade vele naqala ukwaziwa ngokuthi nine education engcono futhi kade naqala ukubukela phansi South Africa ne-education yayo. So niyaphi eSouth Africa? Yini ningasebenzisa i-education yenu ukuvusa amazwe enu? Why ningayisebenzisa i-education yenu ukuvusa amazwe enu? Nabaleka kanti nifundani education yenu imayelana nokubaleka? Imayelana nokubaleka nje education yenu. Ayisuxhaphazana bakithi. Bese ngibuya kini ke nina abantu be-EFF. Manizobhala ukuthi education. Nibhala ukuthi i-education is very important. School is very important. Manibhala kuma comment nigxeke umsebenzi esisuke siwenza sizama ukulwisana illegality la kule country. Tshelani mina ke. Yini ningasebenzisile education eninayo nina ngoba kusho ukuthi nanifunde kakhulu. Yini ningasebenzisile education eninayo kulungisa isimo secountry? Why ningezi nama solution angcono phela ukulungisa isimo secountry? Sithule sidiscard nasithula abantu bangaphandle besigcogcombe begcwele emakhanda. Begibele emakhanda ethi bechamele khona. Sathule sidiscard. Nina benine education engcono kodwa nihlulekile ukuthi lokho nikulungise nge-education. Hayi ngalendlela esiza ngayo thina. Ngithi nasiyabhede. Angena uphakela umthakathi uyabhede. Angena uJacinta uyabhede ngalendlela akenza ngayo yena. You understand? Bonke bayabheda. Onjomani bayabheda ngendlela benza ngayo. Angani bayabheda operation Dudula bayabheda ngendlela benza ngayo ngithi. Anginibona lokho nina. Yini ke nina ningizine solution engcono ekhomba ukuthi you are more educated. Ni save nansi country. Nanku umkhumbi yazike phambi kwenu. Yini ningawusave nge-education yenu lo mkhumbi? Ngikhuluma nani nabantu be-ANC ne-EFF. Nina abantu be-ANC ne-EFF. Wena ANC futhi angikwazi ukuthi yini enisuke niyibhala. Yini lenisuke niyibhala nge-education because you've been in power. You are in power as we speak. Why ningasebenzisa education yenu? Sizi umkhumbi uzika nani kodwa ni-educated. Nizitshela ukuthi nanifunde kakhulu nazi too much. Yini ningasizi ilokhu njani country? As far as I know, from where I stand, le country isavwa yibo labantu enibabiza ngama stupid, enibabiza ngokuthi bazilima, enibabona ukuthi abafundile. Ibona abazama ukuthi bayilwele le country. Bonke labantu laba enazi ukuthi bona abafundile. Bagcwelele komasabazi bayibalekela bayihlalele nezingamla lapha ngoba bayazi ukuthi izingamla zisecured phela zona zayivikela izingamla. Isecurity azibathayithi lapha zayivikela. Babaleke boncika lapho. Babalekile bahlezi lapho boncika lapho. Therefore abanendaba nokuthi kwenzakalani kumuntu omnyama elokushini. Abanendaba nokuthi kwenzakalani kumuntu omnyama emkhukhwini. Abanendaba nokuthi kwenzakalani kumuntu omnyama ehostela. Abangene abanendaba. Bahlezi kahle lapha esabha basecured bavikelekile. Ingamla zine security etight. Azithembele thina kulomthetho kumele siwuthembe. Kulamaphoyisa kumele siwathembe. Athembele kuona. Zithembe yazi security. Itight. Therefore umuntu omnyama balekile uhlezi lapha. Kodwa nisitshela ukuthi nani educated kakhulu. What are you doing to save this ship? Yini eniyenzayo? Nizositshela nge-education njalo nje masithi siyakhuluma sizama ukulwela i-country nanikhuluma ningena nizosibhalela indaba ye-education la. Nenzani la? Yenzani education ukusiza uklina indaba yama drugs? Njoba sineyobisi nje egcwele i-country yonke, yenzani education ukusilungisela leyo problem? Yenzani education ukulwa nokushushumbisa kwabantu? Lalela masikhuluma ngalento yenu ukuhweba ngokocansi abantu bangaphandle bangenela bezosidelela bezohwebi bezothatha amantombazane bewahwebise ngokocansi. Leyo nto ihambisana ncama shi. Angeke uzube naleya business le nenze leya business leya ingahambisani nelokhunjani nokushushumbisa kwabantu because umuntu uma umshumbisa ukuthi enze njani ayoseva lapha kwi-prostitution. Yenzani i-education ukusiza leso simo leso? Tshela mina yenzani i-education ukunceda kuleso simo? Yenzani i-education ukulwa nabantu abaqhamuka bephethe ibhamu bezodubula iy'moto zey'mandla bebaleke bejampa amabhoda? Yenzani i-education ukusiza abantu abakidnapha abantu la bebaleke bebafihla le ko-Mozambique? Yenzani i-education ukusiza leso simo leso? Tshela mina yenzani i-education isiza ngani i-education lapho kulezo zinto lezo? Wena nje ubuhlala ubhala ukuthi education iyasiza, isiza ngani? Yini osuyenzile? Sibe nalento le for eside isikhathi. Sihlukunyezwa abantu bangaphandle eside isikhathi for a very long time. Why beningaqhamuka nama-solution angcono ukuzosiza i-South Africa? Seniqhamuka manje mase siyakhuluma thina mase siyalwa. Mase singena on the ground siyasebenza sizama ukusave i-South Africa niqhamuka lapho nanizositshela ngendaba ye-education. Inginyanyisa kabi le comment yeni mina. Inginyanyisa kabi. Hleze ngiyibona. Umuntu angaphandle I don't even know ukuthi usuke ikhulumelana lento ye-education because ubaleke nayo weza la eSouth Africa wazodayisa amaklabishi emgwaqweni, wazokwenza izinto ezi-illegal la kule country. I-education yeni nitshela ukuthi hambani yoba illegal niwenza izinto ezi-illegal kwamanye ama-country. Ayingasukujwayelana kabi. Wena muntu we-EFF uzofanele uhluze la ekhanda. Uzofanele uhluze kade ngakhuza hlukana ukulandela amaqembu epolitiki akulandela iqembu lebhola. Akuloni asidlali la, akusilona ibhola leli, akusona i-entertainment, akudlalwa. Hey,
angina space. Abantu basemzansi. Anikele ukudefenda labantu laba ukufika abakwanga. Yangithola. You know very well ukuthi ngale ema-countryni wabo like lama favor lawa abawathola la ngeke siwathole ngale. Yabo ngeke ufike ngala eMozambique undocumented. Ngeke ufike eZimbabwe la unganamaphepha bangacaphuna nje kuseni. So that is loud and clear. Yabo so why thina kuzomela siba bo Mother Teresa? Yabo asibazondi la abantu basidisturb ba-occupy ama-opportunity ethu. Gcwele manje emalokishini unemployment. I-youth izayibhema ama-drugs azanabo futhi. Yini into engangeni la emakandeni wenu? Yabezwa labantu laba bakhala ngoJosinta la ukuthi march and march lapha e-Eastern Cape ayikho into abayenzile. No, lapha yana stroke attention. Ungazongitshela ukuthi ayikho into abayenzile abantu bakaZulu lapha. Yabo. Angithi i-government kunini siyitshela ayisilaleli. Mele size stroke attention vele sishisa imoto. Ayikho into wrong futhi ngaleyo. Futhi kokuqala sishisanga ngamabomu. Yabo intentionally. Angithi ubonile bagwaza omunye wethu la. So kumele senzeni futhi sigoqe izandla amaphoyisa phela awasincedi nganex amaphoyisa wala akupayroll i-corruption. So angingakhuluma isilungu sakho la usitshele le way thina sidom ngakhona we must learn from ama-foreign. What must we learn from them? Yeah, we must learn to run away from our country. Size ema-country nabantu lapha sifike sithengisa ama-drugs. Si-occupy indawo lapha undocumented. Xa manje labantu laba abakhulumayo la ungazosinyanyisa thina. Nina niyabenefisa la, niyabenefisa abanye bayababhebha bakhalela amasenda ama-Nigeria. Yabo uyazi ukuthi umuntu vele masingacosha ama-Nigerian uzobuyela emakhaya ezilalini. Angithi sekamjwayeze i-fancy life yama-slay queen bafaka yama-Brazilian nama-Peruvian nama-extension. Uyabona ukuthi manje i-kingdom yabo especially labo lechapa lezi ezivela la zichomele ngenzipho nangey'nkomo. Thina sinandaba nathi. Cabanga wayemele sibe nendaba nani? Sinendaba nekusasa labantwana bethu, the future. Ukuthi thina mesishona abantwana bethu bazosala la, basale la babuswa amakwerekwere. So ningazosinyanyisa please too. Yabo. Impisi lo nikhomenda umbhedo nenza ngathi anazi kuyenzakalani. Futhi abanye badom la. There's a lot at stake la. Ujosinta Nimaschumashi la, at least they are doing something. They are fighting for their country and what is right. So ungazoloko busy, especially amaXhosa wangakithi. Umxhosa. Naphetha ngihluleke futhi kulo kuzibambela lapha ya. Kanti nisukeleni lojwabo liniyeleni entabeni kuze kuphakama uZulu le eKZN azonibonisa ukuthi moyindoda kwenzakalani kuyini ubudoda ukuvikela izwe lakho. So manje ngingazoloko nibusy comment futhi abanye kahle kahle bayenza icontent kalento le ye Mass to Mash. Angithi ufuna siloko sicomment silike khona TikTok izokubhadala. So yabo uthi nawe uthengisa ilokhuzana country just because of our likes. You know very well ukuthi government don't deliver, syndicate lento. Yes, they are smuggling. Labona bathi ubona ngathi lama foreigner lawa my friend njobo babona lapha yana eToro. These people have been trafficked. That's why balala naseToro nasema iphaza shop. Yeah, it's not they are holding them against their will ukuthi balale lapha. So comment ala nenzi shoot ama video la angasiza umzansi. Yabona mongabe wena une solution. Yes. Yeah, ngakhuluma la. Ungazoloko ubhizi ugxekana nabantu abangalala. Abo Jacinta abalali. Yes, abalali. So, please stop in nonsense. Yabo. Abantu mele bahambe phelela lapho. Babuye la namaphepha babhadala tax because if ababhadala tax babhadalela yithi tax. Phezu kwaloko any currency yabo ngali iphakamisa economy yabo ngali baya-akha ngali imali yethu. So ungazozenza idlimi ucabangele isisu. Thina sicabangela isisu. So fuck you.
Good evening our brothers. Good evening our Ethiopian brothers. Good evening our Somalian brothers. Good evening our Bangladesh brothers. Good evening guys. My name is Tuma Mola. I know most of you guys know me. I'm the Northwest business activist and I'm a leader of so many portfolios with regards to business. I have a simple and small message to you brothers. You guys must listen to this. We as the South African small business operators, we as the South African business owners and entrepreneurs have had enough of you guys. We know that you guys are paying the SAPS officials bribery on so many things. We know you guys are paying local municipalities officials to do many things. But I want you guys to know one thing, that the time is now. We are fed up and enough it is enough. We are going to take back township economy. We are going to take back the spaza shops that you guys have hired. You guys rape our sisters. You guys child molest our sisters in rural villages. You guys are practicing child labor, making smaller boys to go collect your stock and give them zimbas. That is child labor. You guys are paying SAPS officials because you guys are having fake asylum certificates. You guys are having illegal firearms in your containers and in your churches. You guys are selling drugs. You guys are selling alcohol without no liquor license. You guys are selling non-SABS approved goods. The time is now. We are no longer going to wait for government that you guys have captured. We are coming to you guys, one-on-one. It is going to be bloodshed. This year it is a promise. We are going to fight for our economic right. You guys have dilapidated the state of our local economy in rural villages, townships and further. You guys have done that. So when you see me, an Ethiopian brother, when you see me, Somalian brother, Bangladesh brother, you must know I'm your enemy. You must know. We accepted you poor foreigners in our country on the basis that you guys are having issues in your countries. You are here as an asylum seeker. You are seeking refuge because police are killing your mothers there in your motherland. The soldiers are fighting and killing your mothers there. They are raping your mothers there in your country. And we as South African government, we said we are going to allow you guys and give you guys the refugee and space. You are not here on the basis of business. You are not here on the basis of business. We see you, we see your wives, your poor wives, giving birth at hospitals, stealing and wasting our medical expenses and health care. But we never see you guys at South African Revenue Service to do tax reclaim, to do tax claims, to do everything. We never see you guys at even banks, because you guys keep money at your houses and you take those monies and you transfer those monies to your bosses in Gauteng, your bosses in KwaZulu-Natal, and you guys practice capital flight, and those monies goes to your countries to support and endorse your political agendas. In the Northwest Province, the time is now. Go elsewhere. You can go to Limpopo. You can go to Northern Cape. You can go elsewhere. Go to Gauteng. In the Northwest Province, we are coming. Up and Press is coming. We are coming, Ethiopian brothers. We are coming. We are coming. You guys live in those containers. You shit in those containers. You pee in those containers. You fuck in those containers. Whereas you want to again sell our communities the same thing in those containers. The time is now. Tell that fucking SAPS member that you are giving 500 every week that we are coming for them as well. We are coming for you, Ethiopian brothers. We want sponsorship, township, spaza shops, township back to us. You are criminals. We are coming to your churches. We know you guys have bigger safes with large amount of money. We are coming to your churches. This is not a warning. This is a promise.
Hello, Mzansi. Welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. South Africans are sending messages to my foreigner. Bayasho nje ukuthi bakhathela bahambe. They must go back to their countries to fix their own countries. Kungani ngokuthi uma babona ukuthi ema-country nabo tindatambi kahle babaleke bonke babalekele South Africa? Who's gonna deal with their government? And mababaleka kusho ukuthi kufanele South Africa kube ngiyo lebamukelako bangabitwa ngema foreigner, because mababitwa ngema-kwere they're gonna say ukuthi South Africans are xenophobic. And people are saying ukuthi cha guys, nihambani nolungisa liveli ngiyawusuka eNigeria ude South Africa utosebenza kugunda abantu enhloko. Awubagundi ngani bantu in your own country? Why nite ngebunyenti la South Africa? Bomzala bogogweni bomalume bonke sebagcwele la, nishiye bani emakhaya? Guys, South Africans are hard fault. Bakhathele bantu bayasho nje ukuthi ngizabe ama-foreigner sikhathele. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.